Nominees for the I Am Control Award should exemplify the following traits. Number 1. Discipline. They have a strong commitment to promoting self-awareness and discipline. Number 2. Impactful. They can demonstrate tangible improvements in personal and community well-being. Number 3. Inclusive. Their efforts engage a diverse range of community members and stakeholders. Number 4. Inspirational. They motivate others to prioritize self-control and constructive behavior. And number 5. Innovative. They employ creative and effective methods to promote discipline and positive decision-making. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.
Hey, who community development,
Real estate investment loans for fix and flips, rehab loans, bridge loans, new construction loans, or a purchase of 1 to 4 unit rentals and multiple family rentals, 75% to 92% loan to value, credit score of 680 or higher. Visit us at TahuCommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228 about our other financial products for your business.
your business is our priority.